Hello everyone, you all are welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let's make quick and delicious Nigerian moi moi. If you haven't tried this delicious Nigerian moi moi, watch this video and try this recipe at home. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. To make Nigerian moi moi, these are the ingredients which you need for this recipe. As you can see, I've already cleaned my beans. If you want to see or learn easy method to clean your beans, you can refer to my previous videos where I made moi moi or where I made Nigerian akara to see how you can clean your beans in a fast way. So go ahead and pour your beans into your blender cup, then add your crayfish, onion, also add your pepper, then add small amount of water, cover the blender cup and blend the ingredients together, and make sure you blend until the moi moi puree or moi moi batter becomes smooth and soft. And after you are done blending your beans and all the ingredients together, pour the beans batter into your large mixing bowl. Then keep on repeating the same process until you finish blending everything. So next I'm going to go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients. I will add my beef stock cube. You can also use chicken stock cube for this recipe. Then I will add my fresh nutmeg powder, add salt to taste. Then I will add one raw egg. This egg serves as a binding agent for this recipe. Then add your palm oil. You can also use vegetable oil for this recipe. Then I will add my chicken stock water. Next, go ahead to use your whisk or a wooden spatula to mix to properly combine everything together. One more thing guys, make sure that you do not add your meat stock or your water at once, and also make sure that your meat stock is warm or the water that you are adding is warm. So I'm going to go ahead to add the extra salt to adjust it. Then I'll continue mixing until everything is properly combined together. So finally I'm going to go ahead to add my well cooked and cleaned deboned mackerel fish and also my shredded chicken. After adding, then keep mixing until everything is properly mixed together. So the next step is to go ahead to wrap my moi moi, and I'm using foil paper to wrap my moi moi. You can also use a plastic container to cook your moi moi. If you want to see how I fold this my foil paper, you can refer to my previous videos where I made Nigerian moi moi to see how I folded my foil paper there. Then after scooping in your beans batter into your foil paper, then go ahead and fold it and seal the edge tight. Keep on repeating the same process until you finish wrapping all the beans batter. Wrapping your moi moi, then place your cooking pot on the stove top, then add some water to it and allow it to boil. Then add your steamer inside your cooking pot, then arrange the moi moi in your cooking pot. After you are done arranging your moi moi on your steamer, then cover the pot and let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes on a high heat. 45 minutes later, check on the moi moi. Take out one of the wrapped moi moi, use your kitchen knife to cut it and see if the inside is well cooked. If the inside is well cooked, that means your moi moi is done. Then go ahead and take them off the heat. Once you are done taking your moi moi off the heat, allow the moi moi to cool down for a bit. Then serve your moi moi with pap, custard, or any soft drink of your choice. So guys, this is what my moi moi look like after I'm done steaming it. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.